I'm going to show you how to do a stained glass jelly cake or broken glass jelly cake. This is a different recipe than the broken glass jello. So I'm uploading both videos at once so you can look at the difference from one to the other. So for this recipe I'm using any kind of a cookie that you like to add. I'm adding Oreo cookies. If you add Oreo cookies or something with cream in the middle, you don't need to add any other kind, any butter in it. But if you are using dry cookies like graham crackers or wheat crackers or even any other dry cookie, you need to add 75 grams butter. So I'm using the Oreo cookies and 5 different colors of jelly, 1 can condensed milk and 150 milliliters whipping cream, and into 100 milliliters of cold water add 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin powder and leave it to soak. And I have these different containers that I'm going to add jelly, each packet into each container, and I'm going to put it in the fridge to set. So let's start doing it. Now put the cookies into a bag and just use a rolling pin and crush the cookies nice and fine, or you can, if you are using a lot, you can use the food processor. And I'm going to do individual cakes, so I have this small loaf pan that I'm going to put the biscuits in. Now put the crushed cookies into the pan and press it nice and well and leave it in fridge to set. So let's add the gelatin powder into the jug first, onto the cold water, and sprinkle it nice and well and leave it to soak. Meanwhile, add the gelatin powder into a jug and add hot water, the boiling water. I'm using 1 cup measurement for each. So mix it well. So I'm going to do all these packets that way and leave it in fridge. The jellies are well set, so you can cut that in the same pan like this or transfer it onto a chopping board. I prefer this way, then less washing. So cut it into squares, nice chunks. While cutting the gelatin into cubes, microwave the gelatin that you put in to soak about 1 minute. So after, open the condensed milk and pour it into the hot gelatin. Bases are ready. Now I'm going to add this into the pan. I'll show you. We add a teaspoon from this, a teaspoon from this, and other 2 colors, and then leave it back in the fridge until we prepare the rest of the ingredients. So add the hot gelatin into the condensed milk and the whipping cream and mix it well. So if you are doing a lot, you can put it on a platter to serve, and this is how it looks like. It's a really soft and a nice dessert that you can assemble in a few minutes. So to get the recipe and the tips, visit culinarycornerskitchen.com, and thank you for watching.